Alright guys, it's finally here. We got the Triton V2. So I already sliced open to this thing to make it easier. So let's just dig right in. Got the red box. Triton V2 in black. Packing slip and sticker. These are really cool. Alright, let's get right into it. Pretty excited. Alright, got another black bag. My V1 came in that black bag as well. Got business card and another sticker. Alright. First looks. Super nice looking. Super grippy as well. It's very rough. It's almost like a sharpening stone with the milled out handles and everything. Amazing. Alright, here's it next to a Squiddy. Same dimensions. Squiddy is a hair longer, but that's just the blade. And then width, it's about the same as well. Alright. So, you guys can see a new handle design. It's got a ramp there, and a ramp there, kind of like a Kraken. And it tapers down, as you can see. Runs on washers and Zen pins, so it's pretty sick. This is next to the Alien, which is quite a bit bigger. This runs on washers with bushings, so it'll have decent play. This has noticeable play. Haven't checked the tap yet, let's go ahead and do that. Not much tap, but you can definitely feel it wiggling. This one has no play and no tap. And this thing sounds really nice. But saying that, so does the Triton. Alright, so this has 60-61 aluminum handles, just like this. They both have hardened 440C blades, so basically almost identical structure-wise. But this has bushings again, and this doesn't, and this still has amazing tolerances. The Squiddy doesn't have bushings, and it has crap tolerances. But yeah, so let's get some flipping footage.